Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to create a new folder on the DrawNote application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen and you can find different buttons. If you want to create a new folder, go to the lower bar. You can find the second option, the folder, next to the recent. And actually I don't have any folder, but if you want to add a new folder, go to the upper right corner of the home screen, the new folder button, and here you can find you can set the color of the note, you can add different images, and you can write the folder name. If you finish, click to the OK button, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.